Are you ready for the most recent information on the Pi Network? The most exciting decentralized endeavor of our time? You're in luck because we're entering the Pi Network news update area today, and we've got some groundbreaking news that will blow your socks off. The core team has recently been laser-focused on the launch of the open mainnet. What exactly does this mean? It does, however, represent a significant milestone for Pi Network, as it transitions from its current testnet phase to a fully operational mainnet. As a result of this action, Pi Network will be one step closer to being a fully functional and globally accessible cryptocurrency. But that's not all. The core team's enthusiasm extends beyond the mainnet launch. They are also dedicated to aiding Pi Network developers at all stages of development. The Pi Network platform has a flourishing developer community, which the core team hopes to encourage to create innovative apps and services. We have first-hand information from the Pi Network development community. The core team is going above and above to ensure the flawless launch of the open mainnet. Not only that, but they're also expanding their support for Pi Network developers. Consider yourself a part of an inventive community where your ideas can flourish and have an impact on the future. My friends, that future is now closer than ever. But wait, there's more. In this episode, we'll reveal exclusive insights and offer you a sneak peek at what's in store for the mainnet launch of Pi Network, as well as how you can be involved. Prepare to see the birth of a new era in decentralized networks led by Pi Network. So grab a drink, take a seat, and buckle in, because this is going to be one wild ride. If you're as excited about Pi Network as we are, then press the subscribe and like buttons and come along for the ride. The Pi Network core team, the first cryptocurrency project, is actively establishing infrastructure and policies to assist Pi Network developers. Recognizing the importance of Pi apps to the project's success, the team is committed to establishing a thriving ecosystem prior to the open mainnet launch. Developers are regarded as essential stakeholders in the creation and extension of the Pi Network. Their contributions to the creation of new apps and technologies are vital to maximizing the network's potential. The core team is hard at work developing the infrastructure required for simple app creation and deployment to promote their involvement. Apart from infrastructure development, the core team is working on rules to govern the Pi Network developer community. These principles aim to establish a framework that promotes collaboration, openness, and the use of best practices. By setting specific criteria and standards, the team intends to encourage the creation of high-quality Pi apps. The success of the Pi Network is contingent on the collaborative efforts of its developers, as their apps will enable users to take advantage of the network's unique features and functions. As a result, the core team's focus on aiding developers reflects their commitment to creating a rich and thriving environment. The open mainnet deployment is a significant step forward for Pi Network. It will signal the end of the current testnet phase and the start of a fully functional blockchain network. The core team understands the value of empowering developers and providing them with the necessary tools and resources to ensure a smooth and successful launch. The development of infrastructure and procedures tailored to the needs of Pi Network developers illustrates the project's commitment to encourage innovation and collaboration. By providing a forum for developers to unleash their creativity, Pi Network intends to attract a diverse range of apps that will improve the network's usability and appeal to a broader user base. The Pi Network developer community is anticipating new possibilities and support as the core team continues to lay the groundwork for the open mainnet launch. The core team's partnership with developers is expected to result in a new generation of fascinating Pi apps that will influence the network's future. Pi Network, which debuted in 2019, has gained popularity as a user-friendly cryptocurrency that can be mined on mobile devices without draining the battery or consuming a lot of energy. The project has garnered a dedicated and growing community of early adopters who are actively involved in its growth and expansion. By investing in infrastructure and regulations that empower Pi Network developers, the initiative advances its goal of creating a decentralized and inclusive digital economy. The future of Pi Network appears bright as it approaches its open mainnet debut, with developers playing a vital role in this journey. On Twitter a few hours ago, the Pi Network core team, the pioneering cryptocurrency project, announced the return of the Pi Art Festival. This year's Pi Art Festival theme is Visualize a Day in a Pi-Powered World. Pioneers, as members of the community are known, are encouraged to use their artistic ability to create beautiful images that depict a world in which the utility and benefits of the Pi Network are fully realized. To assist the presentation of these artistic abilities, a separate Fireside Forum channel will be allocated for the Pi Network community. Throughout the Pi 2-day events, pioneers will be able to share their artwork in this dedicated channel for fellow community members to observe and support. In their tweet, the core team also stated that more information about where to submit creative pieces would be provided later this week. This announcement has aroused excitement and anticipation among Pi Network community members who are eager to showcase their creative talents and be a part of this colorful event. The Pi Art Festival has become a beloved tradition among members of the Pi Network community, demonstrating the project's commitment to supporting creativity, cooperation, and community engagement. As the Pi Network grows, the festival gives a platform for early adopters to share their visions, interpretations, and hopes for a Pi-powered future. Pi Network was developed in 2019 by Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis and his colleagues with the purpose of establishing a user-friendly cryptocurrency that can be mined on mobile devices without draining the battery or demanding excessive energy. The network has a huge fan base, with millions of early adopters contributing to its development and expansion. As the countdown to Pi 2-day and the Pi Art Festival begins, pioneers are expected to immerse themselves in creating aesthetically stunning artwork that embodies the revolutionary potential of the Pi Network. The festival promises to be a celebration of both art and the collective vision of a Pi-powered future, with contributions eagerly awaited by the global community. To do this, the core team has worked tirelessly to offer developers with the tools, documentation, and support they require to build exciting applications on the Pi Network. This inclusive strategy ensures that Pi Network evolves and grows with the help of its enthusiastic community. So there you have it, people. The core staff of Pi Network is entirely focused on the open mainnet launch and helping Pi Network developers. This groundbreaking cryptocurrency startup is in for some exciting times. Keep an eye on our channel for more updates on the Pi Network and other fascinating crypto-related topics.